Oh yeah.
I pay with MasterCard, and it's got to go into my bank account. Is there any service charge other than?
There probably is.
Well, the Square charges.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Wendy uses Square. She uses it for her accommodations too.
And whatever card they use.
I hope it's not a double whammy. I hope the Square doesn't get
It's
three.
not as much as Moneris though.
MasterCard, they would get 3. It's horrible. Yeah, you have to pay. You'll pay. So then
It'll be separate.
But Square is good. It goes right onto your iPhone or your iPad. That's what Wendy uses for the B&B.
at home,
Yeah, yeah. Not here though. Don't have any Wi-Fi.
have Wi-Fi.
No.
And if I had a phone, like you can get the ones that plug into your,
Man, it's beautiful out. Mother's Day weekend. Salt Spring Island. People are setting up the market. There's Juliet. Hi, Juliet. Look at the flowers coming off of the male there, right above you, the palm, the big palm, right where you set up. This one right here, look at the flower spathes coming off. They're going to bust open. Yeah, they're just coming off. So that's a male. Isn't that cool? They're going to be huge flower sprays. And that one up there is a female. And that one's a male. Yeah, you're going to get, so you better watch it. It's doing its thing. There's going to be some palm sex happening here. Pollen will be dropping all over you. Oh, God. Palm porn. Some people call it plant porn. That's okay. And you can see the female's a little bit behind, but she's still going to come. It's true, though. You see, this is how you can tell. This is a male.
I can see that.
You see the big things coming off of it. And then the female, you see the females, they're just coming out. See the very far end one right there? See how they're just starting to pop out?
Yeah.
This is a female, too. You see the fruit on it?
Right.
See, the female only bears the fruit.
Each other?
What's that?
Do they need each
They need each other to produce seed. So the male
Just
pollen will come over and dust the flowers when they're open, and they get seed on them. You can't tell until they bloom. But you have so many of them. You're gonna have a mix. But what are the odds? When I sold him these palms, we didn't know they were small. Male, female, male, female. He planted them when they were small. What are the odds of that, eh? Isn't that cool? 26. They see the big males. They're well hung. Hey, Juliet. Well hung palms. And they're hairy palms. That's how Wendy has to put up with me. Poor girl. I said these are males. You can see the big things coming off of them, and they're well hung. These are hairy palms. And the female's just about to come. They're a little bit slower. But they do come eventually. But look at the size of these suckers. Look at the size of these males.
Right.
Hey, look at the spathes. They're huge.
And you're of course
I said it's palm porn. I think that's what I'll title this one, palm porn. Oh, no, it'll be all right.
Well, they will, because the word, that word makes them find it.
And how are you doing? Here, this is what my wife's doing early in the morning. She's setting up this tent, and I'm videotaping palm trees. Crow. Anyway, it's beautiful out here. Mother's Day weekend, sunrise, ocean is like glass, and it's just going to be a toasty day. It's supposed to be up in the 80s today, Fahrenheit. So that's a good thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers and aloha from Salt Spring Island. It's beautiful.